This is your True Self video 4. Okay, now let's get back to I was going into the astral travel ability that we have, since our true self is pure energy, which is the conscious mind. You know about the electromagnetic spectrum. You see that pretty much atoms, we talk about atoms, we know that they're small, everything's consistent of atoms. So you know that our inner consciousness is pure energy, is it's definitely beyond the atomic structure of things when you talk about pure energy. The main objective about the ability to be able to do astral traveling, since we are energy, here's one way to get you in tune for practicing. The point is, like I said before, dreams is your tool to get you in touch with your true inner self. The reason you dream, like I said before, is to let you know that the body is just a container for you to experience, so you can experience this world, which the only way you experience it is you notice through the five senses: hearing, see, and all the basic concepts of the external senses. But the inner self is the interpreter of everything you experience in this world, let alone it can reproduce yourself inside of the internal existence of infinity. What I mean by that is, inside dreams, what it is, you're in another world. You're actually in a electromagnetic spectrum of the true sense of your ability to travel. And the ability to travel in the astral world is much more complex, and it allows you much more freedom than this material body which you experience this world in. And like I said, this is so you can enjoy, you send yourself on a mission in this world to enjoying the experience of things here. But when you master the concept of astral traveling, like I said, the tool to astral traveling is based on the ability to take controls of your dream. In other words, next time you dream, if you can tap into the fact that you are dreaming, you become inner conscious of the fact that you are dreaming at that time. Once you become aware of that, you can control, you'll take control of the fact that you're dreaming. You want to allow the external senses to wake you up. So when you become aware of your dreaming internally inside of your true self, you will be able to move around. You'll be able to do things. Like the thing where everybody had a time in a dream where you could fly. That's a remarkable feeling. Like you're flying through the air. You can do whatever you want. So think about it. If you take control of the fact that you're dreaming, your inner conscious and your conscious awareness that you're dreaming allow you to take control and do whatever you want in that dream. So remember, what we call dreams really is a true inner conscious self of pure energy, allowing you and showing you how you will be able to manipulate time and space in another place. So this world that we're existing with the five senses is not disturbing the ability for you to travel and go to other planets. In the inner conscious, when you tap into that ability to astral travel from the dream spectrum, your ability to be able to learn things and to gain information is remarkable. And I'm sure you're aware that a lot of scientists and different people say, hey, well, I was in this dream, I discovered this, and that's how I come up with this new invention, because it was in my dream. Well, they actually went somewhere. They went to a place inside the internal perception, where the pure energy of yourself is, and it's infinite. Inside your inner self, infinity exists. That's why, if you notice, when you close your eyes, a new universe opens up. While you are in your inner conscious mind, you can see space, time, you can see cars driving, anything you can imagine. What we call imagination is based on the fact that our pure consciousness is pure energy. So the external world, where your five senses is just gathering information, that's all your five senses does, is gather information from the physical world that you exist in, the material body, in order to interpret the environment that you're in now. But that internal environment of your pure self, that inner conscious, that's the world where everything truly exists to the ultimates of infinity. And like I said, I'll get into more. It's a lot of different details that I want to explain to you, so you'll begin to master the ability to astral travel. You'll be able to gain information. That's where inventions come from. Why do you think we have cars, radios, TVs, cell phones? It's all coming from the inner mind, because that is the world of infinite knowledge.